Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing in space. Now, you might be thinking, 3D printing? Isn't that something we use here on Earth to make plastic trinkets? And yeah, you're not wrong. But what if I told you this technology is poised to revolutionize how we explore the cosmos? We're talking about building habitats on the moon, manufacturing tools on Mars, maybe even printing food in the cold vacuum of space. Forget packing for every possible scenario on a mission. 3D printing brings the ultimate cosmic insurance policy. On-demand manufacturing, light years away from Earth. Join me as we explore this game-changing technology, from the materials used to the mind-blowing possibilities it unlocks for the future of space exploration. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open, folks, because we're about to boldly print where no one has printed before. Imagine you're an astronaut on the International Space Station, hundreds of miles above Earth. A critical tool breaks and your next resupply mission is months away. What do? Well, if you've got a 3D printer handy, you simply print a new one. 3D printing in space reduces our reliance on Earth for spare parts. Every pound of material launched into space costs us a small fortune. 3D printing lightens the load and saves money. It empowers us to explore further and bolder. So, what exactly can we use to 3D print in the harsh environment of space? You might be surprised by the variety. We're talking polymers, the workhorse of the 3D printing world, perfect for creating lightweight and durable tools and components. Then there are metals, offering strength and heat resistance, ideal for things like rocket parts or structures for a lunar base. But here's where things get really interesting. Scientists are exploring the use of regolith, the loose dust and rock found on the Moon and Mars, as a potential 3D printing material. Imagine using the very surface of a celestial body to build structures on it. And it doesn't stop there. Researchers are even experimenting with printing biological materials like human tissue in space. This has huge implications for long-duration spaceflight and could revolutionize healthcare here on Earth. Zero-G printing, overcoming the challenges. Printing in space isn't as simple as on Earth. Microgravity throws a cosmic wrench into the works. Layer adhesion is a big challenge. On Earth, gravity helps layers bond. In space, layers might not stick well. Material flow is another issue. Liquids behave differently in microgravity. Imagine pouring water in space. Controlling melted plastic or metal flow needs clever engineering. Engineers are developing specialized 3D printers. Features like magnetic nozzles and enclosed build chambers help. They're constantly innovating to make space 3D printing a reality. Printing beyond Earth. Success stories from space. What have we accomplished with 3D printing in space? We've come a long way from plastic trinkets. Astronauts have printed tools, spare parts, and even a handheld drill. In a groundbreaking experiment, they printed a metal wrench. This milestone proves we can manufacture high-strength objects in space. Scientists have 3D printed structures using simulated lunar and Martian regolith. Soon, we'll build outposts on other worlds using local materials. This is just the beginning. The possibilities are limitless. The future. Printed in space. Let's talk about the future. A future where 3D printing isn't just a cool tool, but a cornerstone of space exploration. Imagine sending a 3D printing rover to Mars ahead of a human mission. It could use Martian regolith to print habitats, landing pads, even roads, preparing the red planet for human arrival. Forget bulky spacecraft designs. Future spacecraft could be 3D printed in orbit, allowing for larger and more complex structures. Repairs? No problem. Just print a new part using the ship's onboard 3D printer. And remember the potential for 3D printed food? Imagine growing fresh vegetables on a long journey to Mars, all thanks to a bioprinter. No more freeze-dried ice cream for our intrepid explorers. These aren't just pipe dreams, folks. 3D printing has the potential to turn science fiction into scientific reality, ushering in a new era of space exploration. Keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content about space and technology. We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible with 3D printing in space. From building lunar bases to growing food on Mars, this technology has the potential to reshape our future among the stars. So keep looking up keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe around us. See you next time.